Very good morning, my dear students. Today we are about to start a chapter. It is related with economics. So today we are going to discuss about the economic development. Why economic development is important for the country, and what is economic development, and what exactly the word means economy, and what are the what is the history behind this word, and what are the main features of economy, and why I should know about it, and why we should indulge into economic development. And all these points are going to be discussed in this chapter. So let us move. Today we are going to discuss about chapter number 15, economic development. Why economic development is important? That is the main question over here. Then what is the meaning of economy? अर्थव्यवस्था का क्या मतलब है? Why we are in acute need of economic development, and how economic development affects different countries and the world, as well as the global export and import level, and all these things. So on a larger note, we are going to start economic development. As you are studying in 10th standard, economics is an integral part of social science. So you have to go through it, you have to understand, and in your life also, economy is extremely important, because there are instances of global depression, which is known as मंदी, जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं मंदी है, गुजराती में भी मंदी बोलते हैं. तो that is the reason कि we should know about the do's and don'ts of economy, as well as if we want to run a life smoothly and on the materialistic level, not on spiritual level, but if you think about the materialistic level, economic development is extremely important for us. So let us move. Every person's morning begins in different way. Many people lead their life full of material pleasure. As we are talking, material pleasure means आप देखेंगे तो cars, phones, big houses, luxury yachts, and these kind of things. These are material pleasures. We find enjoyment in these things, entertainment in these kind of things. That is not bad, because by nature human wants entertainments in every single thing. So when we are thinking about economic development, so we are living a materialistic life, every single of us. As we are on social media, we want likes and all that, which is not which actually doesn't approve us or approve our identity, who we are, but still we want the approval of others to like us. So that is the reason we are full of materialistic pleasure. But maximum people of the world are seen struggling for existence. But it's a problem that many of the people are suffering and struggling for existence. वो जीने के लिए भी लड़ रहे हैं. The basic needs, the रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान, ये तीनों चीज़ें ही उनके पास available नहीं है. For these people who are called poor, physical pleasure, well-being or resting is an imagination only. So these people are suffering on every front of their life. They are poor. They haven't got any kind of physical pleasure. Physical pleasure means आप देखेंगे ना, तो people think that physical pleasure is आपको मसाज कोई दे दे, आप आराम से बैठे हो, ग्लास पकड़ा दे कोई, टीवी का रिमोट आपके हाथ में है, you don't want to do anything. And physical pleasure, complete rest and happiness with body. Health भी आपकी अच्छी है, because you can spend. So these are called physical pleasures. And well-being, आप healthy हैं. healthy कैसे होंगे? जब जेब में नोट होंगे. और रेस्टिंग इज़ एन इमेजिनेशन ओनली. और आराम करना, रेस्ट करना तो एक इमेजिनेशन ही हो चुकी है बहुत लोगों के लिए, बिकॉज दे हैव टू वर्क एंड टॉयल हार्ड 24 hours a day, so that they can earn bread and butter for their daily life. पूरे दिन घिसेंगे. जैसे बहुत सारे दिहाड़ी मजदूर भी होते हैं, आपने देखा होगा. दिहाड़ी एक वर्ड यूज़ किया मैंने. दिहाड़ी मतलब क्या है? दैनिक मजदूर, डेली वेजेस पे जो काम करते हैं, ऑन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेसिस. वो कहीं भी जॉब नहीं करते हैं. वो सुबह निकलते हैं टिफ़िन लेके, और वो दे आर इन सर्च ऑफ अ जॉब. तो कहीं जॉब मिलती है तो दे विल गेट 300 रुपीज़ और 200 रुपीज़ आउट ऑफ इट. When they get the 300 rupees in the evening, they go to their home and वहाँ पे वो उस 300 रुपीज़ में से कुछ ऑयल, थोड़ा सा स्पाइसेस, थोड़े वेजिटेबल्स जो होते हैं वो सब लेके जाते हैं, एंड दे कुक देयर मील, and for that day only they have earned. They can't save anything because they haven't enough amount of money. So these kind of things are happening on close by. You just open your eyes and look here and there and you can see these things are happening. How has this situation originated? अब ये situation कैसे हुई है? How to come out of this situation? Such types of questions have their answers. Now we have got such type of questions and the answers. Economic development. In today's modern world, every country is trying to achieve development. Every country wants to get first on the place of export as well as import, as well as foreign exchange and all these things. Foreign exchange means foreign money. So, but development is not confined to economic development only. That is very important, that development, we need overall development. In the medical sector also, we have learned in Corona pandemic that our medical sector is not that strong, and not any country of the world was able to fight Corona on a front line because we were not ready for it. So overall development means every single thing is within our control. When we talk about defense, when we talk about ammunition, when we talk about medical, when we talk about banking sectors, when we talk about business, all things should be in control. So that is known as economic development. When India is a developing country, it is not developed yet. We have got three types of countries in the world. Number one is developed countries. India is in a range of developing countries because we are building our economy, because of our population. And some of the countries are third world countries. We call them third world countries. तीसरी दुनिया की countries. Why? Because they are very poor, they are not in business, और उनके पास कुछ नहीं है, बस सिर्फ और सिर्फ दे आर ऑन द मर्सी ऑफ आवर आर्म्स. हम उनको कुछ दान देंगे तो उनका काम होगा, अदरवाइज उनके पास कुछ काम नहीं है. जैसे अफ्रीकन, देयर आर मेनी नेशंस लाइक इथियोपिया, मेनी नेशंस, these people are suffering from hunger, poverty, lawlessness. These kind of things are happening. So in today's modern world, every country is trying to achieve development, but development is not confined to economic development only. It is a process of social change having many phases. Number one, economic development shows constant increase in national income of a country. It shows constant increase in the national income of a country. Many of the countries work on their own and they've got their own power. Such one country is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a country which works 24/7 in the field of a distinctive thing. एक बहुत ही विशेष चीज़ है उनके पास, आप देखेंगे, because of the Brahmaputra basin river, the river flows from there. So they can harvest jute over there. जूट जिसको हम बोलते हैं, आप देखेंगे तो बोरियाँ बनाने के काम में आते हैं, बोरी सैक जिसे हम बोलते हैं, वो बनाने के काम में आते हैं. तो जूट के बहुत सारे यूसेजेस हैं. जूट की रस्सी आपने देखी होगी, कॉयर जिसको बोलते हैं कई टाइप पे. तो वो जूट की जो रस्सियाँ हैं, जूट के बहुत सारे मटेरियल्स हैं, जूट के फुटमैट्स हैं, जूट का आइटम है. द नंबर वन प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द जूट इन द वर्ल्ड इज़ बांग्लादेश राइट नाउ. अब आप इमेजिन करेंगे, बांग्लादेश वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया वंस, ठीक है. In 1970 when it gets separated due to the political reasons, and now it has become the number one economy. बांग्लादेश की इकोनॉमी हमसे भी ऊपर चली गई. रीज़न क्या है? पॉपुलेशन कम and resources are more. So they are using the Brahmaputra basin river resources very well, and they have become the number one producers of jute. मसलिन तो पहले ढाका का था ही, the capital of Bangladesh. So on these kind of fronts, they are changing the world. Economic development shows constant increase in national income of a country. Number second, economic development means, what does it means? Constant increase in national income of country, which we have talked. Then increase in per capita income of a country. Then we have to talk about the per capita income. What is the meaning of per capita income? Means the total income the country has earned is divided into the total population. That means every single person will get this much amount of money if we divide that money. It is not divided, but it is spent on the development of the country. If it is divided, then this much amount of money is known as per capita income. Then improvement in living standard of people. That is a clear win-win situation. I think that living standard of the people of India have raised. Because when I was young, I believe that many of the people have got bicycles only. I went to the college on my bicycle, and that was not a sob. I am not telling you a sob story, but it is reality. Then many of my friends were also riding bicycle at that time. When I was in college, I used to go with bicycle, and we were very proud of it, and we were happy with it, because I come from a good and affluent family, and we were able to buy two-wheelers. But still, many of those people were not spending much of the money on these kind of things. They were thinking about the future. That has changed, and now the people have got younger kids like you are riding Activas. Some of the students, those who are in 9th or 10th standard, are riding cars or something like that. That is really amazing to see, because they have got it at their home. They're not riding others, but this is kind of a development, I believe. Many of the kids are wearing very fancy watches, Apple iWatches. Many of the kids have got their own smartphones, their own rooms. We were not at that time, that the whole India was not like that. They were in a like a joint family. We used to live over there, and we used to enjoy and relish the little moments of life. But right now, the things have changed. We have moved from joint family to nuclear family. So these kind of things have changed. But the standard of people has gone skyrocketed. That is right. This is called economic development. Total income of country is called national income. By dividing the total income of country with total population of country, we obtain per capita income. We call it per capita income. While living standard includes the facilities like obtaining food, clothes, education, health services, transportation services, as well as shelter. We obtain per capita income while living standard includes the facilities. अब living standard में कौन कौन सी facilities हैं? Like obtaining food, best अच्छा food, stale food नहीं लेंगे, अच्छे से अच्छा food हम लेंगे. Then we will talk about the clothes, right clothes to wear, which are suitable to our body and temperature types. Then आप देखेंगे education. Education is extremely important. Government has done great and immense work in the field of education. Then health services, we have seen right now the health services, how the health services work. Then transportation services, from one place to another place, the thing reaches on time. That is very important. जैसे आप देखेंगे, if you are in need of a tomato, तो टमेटो सबसे ज़्यादा भावनगर का जो टमेटो है वो आता है अहमदाबाद मार्केट से. तो अहमदाबाद मार्केट के अंदर पहुंचता है तो रात के समय वो ट्रक शुरू होता है 11 o'clock पे, और वो सुबह 4 o'clock या 5 o'clock in the morning it reaches भावनगर as soon as possible for the fresh delivery of tomatoes. जब वो पहुंचता है तो in the भावनगर marketing yard you can go and buy those fresh tomatoes. Within a span of one day, the tomatoes are plucked from the plant and they are sold, and they are on your table within a span of 24 hours. That is the power of transportation services. And other things also, the other logistics also, these are important. Because of increase in national income and per capita income in India, after independence, there has been improvement in services and facilities, such as availability of food grains. अब ये food grains की availability government ने करवा दी है, बहुत बड़ी facility है कि the people, those who are below poverty line, those people are known as BPL, below poverty line, उनको कार्ड लेके जाना, राशन कार्ड दिया जाता है, और पर मंथ दे आर गिवन अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ राशन टू सर्वाइव एंड टू ईट. तो ये उनके लिए दिया जाता है. एंड क्लॉथ देखेंगे, अवेलेबिलिटी अच्छे से अच्छा क्लॉथ आ गया है. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा घरों तक पहुंचाई जा रही है. एजुकेशन लेवल बढ़ाया गया है. हेल्थ सर्विसेज, शेल्टर एट्सेट्रा. The above mentioned requirements are fulfilled easily and in a better way as compared to the past. So we may say that economic development is taking place in India. Now we are talking the economic development is taking place in India. because we are moving forward in all these areas. The national income of India. National income, GDP of India, which was 876,36039 crores in 2011 and 12, means 20 years back की बात कर लेते हैं, has increased up to 13567,192 crores in 2015 and 16. उसके 15 साल बाद इतनी ज़्यादा इनकम हमारी ग्रो हो गई, बिकॉज पॉपुलेशन की एक फ़ायदा भी है, when more people are in workforce, more people are young, and India is becoming the most young nation. So that is a difference between economic progress and economic development. Economic progress और development में क्या फ़र्क है, प्रगति और विस्तार में क्या फ़र्क है? In ordinary sense, economic progress as well as economic development, both the words show an increase. दोनों में increase है, but there is a lot of difference between both of them. They are as follows. अब उनके follows difference अलग अलग है. On the basis of development process, economic development is qualitative. Economic development क्या है? Qualitative, वो quality के ऊपर काम करता है, progress. While economic progress is quantitative, वो quantity के ऊपर काम करता है, quantity. Economic development is first stage, while economic progress is the stage after economic development. Economic development is first stage, while economic progress is the stage after economic development. पहले economic development होगा, then economic progress आगे बढ़ता है. Then according to the changes taking place in economy, on the basis of new researches in economy, increase in production is economic development. Because of research in hybrid seeds, अब ये एक और चीज़ आई है. देखो R&D के ऊपर जो कंट्रीज वर्ल्ड में काम कर रही है, आफ्टर कोरोना पेंडेमिक वी गेट टू नो दैट द कंट्रीज दोज आर वर्किंग विद R&D, these countries have done extremely well in corona pandemic. R&D का मतलब समझा देता हूँ, research and development. The countries those who are constantly researching about, अब इसका एक फाइन एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी, द कोरोना वैक्सीन के बारे में आप देखेंगे इंडिया ने इसके ऊपर काम किया है रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट में, एज वेल एज आप देखेंगे तो रशिया ने भी इसके ऊपर काम करके स्पुतनिक 5 बनाई है. तो उसका रीज़न क्या है कि दे आर कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्किंग ऑन दीज काइंड ऑफ दिस थिंग इज़ नोन एज रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. रिसर्च करना, किसी भी चीज़ के ऊपर रिसर्च करना, तो वो जब रिसर्च करेंगे देन वी आर गेटिंग इट मोर स्ट्रेट. सो हमको ज़्यादा समझ में आ रहा है. तो इसके लिए वाइल इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस इन द स्टेज ऑफ, अब रिसर्च इन हाइब्रिड सीड्स की भी बात करें तो कुछ ऐसे सीड्स हैं जो कि एरिया ज़्यादा घेरते थे और जब क्रॉप ली जाती तो क्रॉप कम आती थी, नॉर्मल आती थी. बट नाउ अब हाइब्रिड सीड्स हो गए हैं जिसके अंदर एक ही क्रॉप के अंदर डबल क्वालिटीज़ होती है. हाइब्रिड, 2 सीड का मिक्सचर जब होता है, हाइब्रिडाइजेशन जिसको बोलते हैं, 2 ब्रीड्स को मिक्स किया जाता है तो वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कम वक्त में ज़्यादा फसल देते हैं. तो ये काम की चीज़ है. इन एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर देयर हैज़ बीन मैनी फोल्ड इंक्रीज इन एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन, और बहुत ज़्यादा एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन हम लेने में सफल हुए हैं. This shows economic development. On the other side, when there is increase in agricultural production, because of increase in agricultural land, it is called economic progress. अब वो increase agricultural production किस में होता है? agricultural land में. That is why it is known as economic progress. अब economic progress के बहुत सारे formats हैं, बहुत सारे examples हैं. आपके आसपास ही आप देखेंगे नए शोरूम्स खुलते हैं, नए रेस्टोरेंट्स खुलते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट्स 6 महीने के अंदर ही बंद हो जाते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट्स दे सर्वाइव बिकॉज दे वॉन्टेड टू सर्वाइव. दे वर्क इन दैट मैनर कि वो इकोनॉमिक को और ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर बनाते हैं. क्योंकि एंटरटेनमेंट सेक्टर आप देखेंगे तो पैंडमिक के अंदर वो सफ़र तो करता ही है. बट थैंक्स टू जोमेटो एंड स्विगी, रेस्टोरेंट्स बंद नहीं थे पैंडमिक के अंदर और बहुत सारा खाना हम होम डिलीवरी पे मंगा पा रहे थे. तो दीज आर द वेरियस रीज़न. उसकी वजह से देखें आप तो जोमेटो का शेयर बढ़ गया, जोमेटो का प्राइस बढ़ गया. तो रीज़न ये रहा कि हमने अपनी इकोनॉमी, जब वो उसके बीच में हर्डल आया, एट दैट टाइम ऑल्सो वी वर वर्किंग कॉन्स्टेंटली टू रेसिप्रोकेट इन दैट मैनर so we can earn as well as we can survive in this kind of global pandemic, and we have done it well, I think. So transportation was affected a lot, but apart from transportation, आप देखेंगे तो द ट्रैवलिंग ऑफ द ह्यूमंस वर बार्ड, बट एट द सेम टाइम द थिंग्स वर गेटिंग टू अस इन प्रॉपर मैनर. सामान तो पहुंच रहा था हमारे तक. So these are the important things. Then in relation to developed and developing nations, difference in seen is seen in both relations to developed and developing nations. Also, increase in national income of developed countries is called economic progress, while increase in national income of developing countries is called economic development. अब दो चीज़ों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Difference is seen in both of them in relation to developed and developing nations also. ऑलरेडी मैंने आपको बताया कि हम डेवलप्ड और डेवलपिंग नेशंस के बीच की बात है. इंक्रीज इन नेशनल इनकम ऑफ डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज. अब डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज की जो नेशनल इनकम है वो बढ़ेगी, वो है इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस. वो पहले से ही डेवलप हो चुके हैं, उन्होंने सारी बेसिक एम्यूनिटीज़ दे दी है. मतलब उनके हॉस्पिटल्स राइट है, सभी को मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस है, हर इंसान के पास पासपोर्ट है, मोर थिंग्स आर लीगल, और वहाँ पे रोड्स ट्रांसपोर्टेशन लेवल बहुत अच्छा है, एजुकेशन लेवल टॉप लेवल पे है, मेडिकल सर्विसेज आर गुड. सो सभी सेक्टर्स के अंदर डिफेंस सिस्टम इज सुपर्ब. तो दीज कंट्रीज आर नोन एज डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज. अब उनके आगे वो जो भी करेंगे दैट इज़ देयर प्रोग्रेस, वो उनका चार्ट ऊपर बता रहा है. अब हम लोग तो क्या है, उस तक पहुँचे नहीं अभी तक. तो हमारी जो नेशनल इनकम है वो डेवलपिंग कंट्रीज को उसको हम बोलते हैं डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है. अभी भी वी आर इन द मोड ऑफ डेवलपमेंट. ठीक है. So for today we are going to conclude this much only, and this is very difficult and the chapter number 15, economic development, because economy is an integral part of our life. You want it or don't want it, you have to learn about it, you have to understand, and you have to give a big chunk of your life. That is very important. So go through this chapter once again, and this page once again, and if you've got any kind of doubts regarding economics, we are going to discuss it, as we have already reading civics, geography and history. So today we have introduced the economy part as well, and I hope you guys are understanding well, you are reading well, and you are getting more and more knowledge, and you are not wasting your time. Thanks for listening to me. Have a very good day. And if you've got any kind of problems, always I say that you are most welcome. Feel free to ask on WhatsApp the doubts or everything. We are over here for you. Thank you and have a nice day.